Chapter 1.11.6 Metrics for Kubernetes Object States. Summary. Kube State Metrics exposes Kubernetes object states as metrics, enabling insights and alerting using tools like Prometheus. Metrics for Kubernetes Object States. Kube State Metrics is an add-on agent that connects to the Kubernetes API server to gather and expose metrics about the state of various Kubernetes objects. It provides information like labels, annotations, and status of objects within the cluster via an HTTP endpoint. Metrics include details such as container names and image IDs. External tools, like Prometheus, can scrape these metrics to enable various use cases. Keep in mind that Kube State Metrics is not a core part of Kubernetes but is an external project that enhances monitoring capabilities. Example. Using metrics from Kube State Metrics to query the cluster state. This code snippet is a Prometheus query that counts the number of pods that have a status of not ready in each namespace and for each pod. It groups the count by namespace and pod labels to provide a detailed breakdown of the readiness status across the cluster. Kube State Metrics create useful metric series for deeper cluster analysis, especially when paired with querying tools like Prometheus. Using a specific PromQL query, one can determine the total number of pods in the cluster that are not currently ready. Example. Alerting based on from Kube State Metrics. This YAML code defines an alert rule named pods blocked interminating state, which triggers when the count of pods with deletion timestamps and status reasons of node lost is greater than 0 over a 5-minute period. The severity label for this alert is set to page, and the annotation provides a summary message indicating that pods are blocked in a terminating state. Metrics from Kube State Metrics help monitor cluster problems through alerts. Prometheus can trigger an alert if pods remain in a terminating state over 5 minutes.